because this chart is like getting a PhD in how to smell good. I'm a data journalist and I'm trying to find the best smelling fragrances out there. What I have is something called a chord diagram. That's what this cool little diagram is. Basically, the chord diagrams are meant to show associations between two things. It's a data science technique. What I have is a chord diagram that shows a link between two ingredients whenever they appear in a perfume. I'm getting the data from Fragrantica, which has a pretty substantial breakdown of all the scents. Because the data is actually pretty thorough, I was able to make two other chord diagrams. One of them is focused on the families. So when you're looking at a scent, whether it's like raspberry or like lemon, you have a classification like fruit, or for lemon, it would be like citrus. This chord diagram draws associations between the families. This second one bases the size of the association off of how often the two fragrance families appear in the same perfumes. So you can see that like the woody family and the floral family have a lot of perfumes where they're paired, which would just imply that that just makes like for a better smelling scent. So my next step is to try to figure out like how to explain all of that to someone using this, because this is cool to look at, but it's hard to understand.